Hey guys, this is a 36-inch Evergo Industrial. I don't know the model number. The tag on top of the motor was taken off before I got it. It's got a cast aluminum motor, 3-speed pull chain, and steel blades. This fan is from 1984. It's a pretty neat fan. I really like it. It performs pretty well. We'll go ahead and start it up on low. It can also take a light kit, as you can see from the switch housing. It is not reversible, which you would kind of expect. I did have to balance it. One of the blades was lighter than the other, but I've temporarily balanced it with some duct tape and a couple coins. Obviously, I'm not going to keep it like that if I keep it up for longer than this video. Nice low speed for a fan this small, or industrial this small. Take it up to medium. The bearings have a slight bit of noise to them. It's more of a whirring noise than anything, but it's not too loud. I got this from the same Craigslist seller as the other 36-inch Evergo, the 3 wood-bladed one. I did have to change the capacitor on it. It was bad. It was way too slow. And high. High is decently fast. It's not as fast as like a 36-inch Gold Line or even that Evergo, the other Evergo. But it does move plenty of air, especially right underneath. All right. And we will shut it off. Alright guys, that was the 36-inch Evergo Industrial. Hope you enjoyed the video.